This is a 1971 the Mustang Mach1. Beautiful condition. Very nice engine bay. You see the updated headlamps there. It has a 351 engine with ram air with a functional hood. Air is vented from the scoops in the hood down to the air cleaner. Nice pale yellow color. Original wheels. Very nicely restored. You even have a small model of the car on the dashboard there. Black interior, some speakers mounted. Mach1 is embroidered into the seat covering. 4-speed manual. It has a tack there on the left, looks like, and has the supplemental gauges there in the middle cluster. There you see the 4-speed manual. Nice steering wheel. Very nicely done. The matte black finish here on the hood. Also is possible to have an argent silver finish on these Mach1s. Spoiler in the back. Flip down gas cap. So very nice in every respect, really. It's a good example of Mustang before they started to eliminate some of the bigger engines.